We've stocked up extra milk, extra water, extra meat, bread as much as we can get. Some of the suppliers are even cutting back already. So, it's been a little tough getting product, but we're making arrangements.
Shopping today so that I don't get stuck without any bread, milk, eggs, which is kind of crazy. But I hope the news people and the weather people are actually accurate this time, because usually they are not. But the mayor said that it's going to be something big, historical, so I don't want to take any chances. So here I am.
Have matches, loose matches. You don't sell.
Whoa. Eggs on top.
Nasa ako din, the bread.
Eggs on top.
I think it's sort of a surprise. I thought I was kind of ready, and then I was like, I have no food, so I had to go do it. I wasn't expecting to be snowed in for like 3 days, probably.